Good morning again to everybody. We are gathered here today to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so that they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find their love a reason to renew our commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Sige ako, is there anybody here today who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? Ano kumontract yung wedding ako? One, very good. That's good. Thank you. Sige, kadyan pinagawan. Face each other. Ikaw, hindi man Daryl. Keep the ring. Okay? So, tatanong ko kayo Doreen, are you here of your own free will and volition to find yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Very good. Daryl, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and in service to your wife-to-be? Very good. Do you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntarily? Yes. Isaan mo Okay. Sige. I ask you now in this presence to declare your intention to enter in union with each other. So, Daryl, will you have Doreen to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you shall live? Doreen, will you have Daryl to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others? Be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Very good. So this is it. So, una ka, Daryl, follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. So, one. Darlene, follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Okay. So, one. Okay. So, that time, tatang. Sige. Muna kayo ito tang. Sumawa kayo dyan yung tatang. Namit tayo yung big wish. Nagigan ka sa... Namit kayo yung pagka.
Mga pinyayo na ito. Kaya tinasya mahal sa pamilya. Yun na po.
Thank you, Tang. Diba? Thank you, Tang. Lagi kay Datoy, sumango kay Dilikod, Panglikod. Namit tayo tayo na yan kasal. Wish sa mga bagong kakasal. Sige na.
Pulis namin sa inyong dalawa na patuloy na ang maging sentro ng iyong buhay ay ang aking Panginoon.
Wish namin sa inyo, magtulungan kayo, happy family, model natin kasi nagsumpahan kayo sa harap ng mahal nating mayor. Ang palalahan ninyo, always remember the days na kayo ay nag-sweetheart pa kasi ngayon, iba na bukas. Maalam mo na si Doreen, ikaw na pala yun na. Pag sweetheart kasi kayo ay kahit hanggang umaga, maganda kayo. Pero bukas, ngayong kasal na talaga kayo, lalabas na kung sino si Doreen, sino si Daryl. So yun na, good luck sa inyo maging modelo sa lipunan.
Thank you.
Tipay ba't ka na yung tinulong tayo kay Regat King Ginawa.
Sapay ako matatuloy-tuloy di pagmamahalan niyo. Pagkatulong bayag-bayag. Saya lang si may bagay.
Miss ko sa inyo, magmamahalan kayo ngayon, magkasama kayo. Yung mga anak ninyo at saka yung sa buhay, kung ano man yung pagsubok na darating sa buhay nyo, kailangan maging matatag lang kayo, lapit lang kayo parehas sa'yo. Yun lang po.
May pagkakanak no adahan yung pagkinawatan pagtungtungan nga nalaing hanya agad apa tatlo basta mayati pinagturno sila alisawa.
Thank you. Sige, kasama kayo ba? Ikaw ang diin mo na, Daryl, Doreen. O, Daryl, tignan mo yung mata ni Doreen, ano naman promesa mo sa kanya sa husband? Yun lang. Okay, ikaw naman, Doreen. Namin kayo yung magating Daryl. As a wife, promise mo kanya na.
Promise ko, makabat na kami ng pinag-asawa. Suportahan ka kami ng kahit ang karanasan.
Very good. Sige, Daryl, follow after me, okay? Di ba ka? I hereby take you, Doreen,
I hereby take you
to be my wife,
to be my wife.
to have and to hold,
To love and
to be one of heart,
to be one.
one soul, and one affection.
One.
From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until we be parted by death. This is my solemn vow. Okay, good. Doreen, follow after me also. I hereby take you, Daryl,
I hereby take you, Daddy,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
For this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until
We be parted by death. This is my solemn vow.
this is my soul.
Okay. Okay. By the virtues of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, I, Benjamin Doren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, therefore pronounce you newly wedded husband and wife. Okay, sino? Luminaw. You may now kiss the bride first. The first legal.
Isa pa. Ang bilis mo naman.
Sige. Tagalan nyo naman kahit 2 seconds. Sige. 1, 2. Sige, kiss na. Kiss na.
1,
Sige, kiss na. Sige, kiss na. Kiss. Patagalan ninyo. Huwag agad. 1, 2, 3. Sige. Sige. Huwag nyo tatanong. 1, 2, 3. Okay na?
Okay. Ako na ni Jay Witness, ninong-nina, kapan ito'y sahod at nung makita yung pirmada ako. Sige, witness yung pirmada. least na double check nyo na kami. Oh, congratulations. Congratulations. Okay. Picture taking tayo. Ito lang yan. O, ta. Di matter. Ayaw mo, Krista. Sige. Sige. Ay. Gagawin ba na? Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Camera yung eh. Ayun, ayun. Nagtaga-picture. Kaya ito sumali. Tipid mo dyan. Parang sa mo. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay po. 1, 2, 3. Diba? 1, 2, 3. That's 1.
And with the one, with the family naman, next thing, hindi na. Patang siya yun. Sige, lang. With the family, with the family. Tuloy ka mo. Sweet kayo dapat. Yan. Oh. O, ninong-ninang. Okay yan? O, ninong-ninang. O, yung kayo dalawa na. Okay. O. Ito naman sila.
1, 2, 3. Saka.
Okay. Once again, congratulations. Congrats. Congrats. Thank you. Congrats, Manitang. Congratulations. Salamat po. Madam naman, after tumalis ko kayo sa bahay ko.